Once upon a time, in a meadow full of animals, the hare used to boast about his speed. "I am the fastest," he'd say, and all the animals would roll their eyes. But one day, a tortoise raised his head slowly from the grass. "I believe I could beat you in a race," he said calmly. The animals laughed, but the hare took the challenge. They agreed to race that afternoon. The hare shot off like lightning, and by the time the tortoise had taken 10 steps, the hare was already resting under a tree. "He'll never catch me," the hare thought, and he closed his eyes for a nap. But the tortoise kept going, slow and steady, never stopping. The hare slept longer and longer until suddenly he heard cheers. He opened his eyes and saw the tortoise just feet from the finish line. With a gasp, the hare ran as fast as he could, but the tortoise crossed first. "Slow and steady wins the race," the animals cheered. And from that day on, the proud hare never boasted again.